Interested in becoming a distributor for Dubai Cranes? Let's break it down. Partnering with Dubai Cranes provides you with the following advantages: access to all marketing tools and materials, favorable prices that enable you to improve your profit margins, dedicated support for quoting and technical questions. Installation support will be provided for the first few orders. Industry expertise that will help you succeed in your market. And you can have all that exclusively in the agreed country or region. Our subscription model enables quick and seamless integration, allowing you to commence operations efficiently and without delay. Once the agreement is set, we'll train you on our product catalog, and you will have access to our ERP system, allowing for instant quoting on standard projects. Once the order is shared with the client, we will support you on technical queries to help you close the deal. Once the order is finalized, Dubai Cranes will share technical drawings for client's approval before manufacturing. Manufacturing takes approximately 12 to 14 weeks. Once the kit is ready, it is shipped to your country. Distributors are expected to oversee and coordinate all customs clearance, transportation, and installation requirements within their designated countries. Dubai Cranes will always be available for spare parts and maintenance assistance.